Okay? The parts of the Bakukeng. Kasi hindi ba kung gagawin?
Bug naman mo niya? Bug?
Bug. Bug. B-U-G, not B-A-G. Bug. Bug. Please, it be doing the backstroke.
Yes. Bakukang loves swimming.
Swimming.
So he's doing the backstroke.
Backstroke. Favorite style, backstroke. Sa speed of 400
Kilometers
per minute. It's very fast. This Bakukeng is very fast. So this is okay. We'll do for you the private parts. Let's see that.
And he will
this is the what we call the butt.
the butt or the
Anus.
Oh yes, yes.
This is the anus. Oh, see? You'll touch the anus, then the Bakukeng is very, very happy. See, okay. Then, this is the legs. This is the legs.
Bakukang have 6 legs.
Oh, 6 legs. This is the eyes. Eyes. Where's the eyes? No, the eyes. That's the eyes. The mouth. There's the mouth. That's the mouth. That's the mouth.
Opens.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Cheddar. Okay.
He really loves swimming.
Yeah, backstroke.
Swimming on the table.
In a table. Swimming on the table. Oh, okay. Turn around.
Okay.
Turn around. Okay. Finish line. Butang na itong finish line ba? Butang din sa kan ba? Butang din sa YouTube ba?
Okay, bye. Finish line, bye.
Ay, hindi mo ni ma-erase. Pero ma-erase.
Ano?
Hindi mo na ma-erase.
Adi ba?
Di ba? Gina to, di ba? Finish line. Okay, this is the finish line. Come. Oh, wrong move. Where's the finish line? Come over. Oh, the what we call this? The horn.
The horn.
Oh. Oh, I touched the horn. Poot. Ayun.
See, his event is very fast.
Yeah. Oh, that's the slow mo.
So where is the finish line? The finish line.
Finish line.
Okay, that's the finish line. He's almost there. Near the finish line.
Okay.
Oh, he's in the wrong direction. I think the finish line is
the finish line will
be moved. Okay. So almost there. Okay, go. Almost there. Come on. Yeah. Oh, you touch. Yeah, finish.
Good. Oh, the winner. First, because no enemy. So the first. Champion. Oh, champion.
He will fly. Look, after swimming, he will fly.
Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping without not.
Oh, we are just down now. What? Oh, see.
Then when the plug is still continue swimming with the backstroke.
Again. We'll put the finish line.
There is the finish line. Okay, it's almost there. Going to the finish line. He will reach it for about 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Okay. Okay, now faster. Go.
You'll see in your video. It's just a slow motion.
Yes.
Slow motion.
Okay.
Go on.
You move the finish line near to the bus. Okay. Almost there.
Go. Oh, the finish line. Yeah.
Okay, almost there. No. Move on. Okay. Yes. Almost there.
Come on.
Okay, you can do it. Come on, man. Okay, touch. Okay, touch. Oh yeah! Winner!
Champion.
I think this is the end for part 1.
Oh, see the whole picture. The whole. Oh.
I think
Picture taking. Picture taking. That's the picture
okay, he's now resting. As you can see, the bug is not moving.
No.
I think he's dead already.
No, she's
He's tired of swimming, then jumping and swimming again.
Okay.
Then he's also good in weightlifting, di ba?
Oh, weightlifting.
Okay, he's lifting the calculator now. While lifting, he's moving like a carabao. He's very slow. I think he's very tired.
Oh, he's not tired though. Let's get the calculator.
Okay.
Get the calculator, man. Okay, that's it. Okay, see, she's moving now. She's moving now.
He's in a slow motion now.
Maybe drink some water. You need some
Maybe
water.
he likes to jump again.
Oh. Okay, that's it, man.
Then he's very dirty now. Look at his back. Many white dust. Issue.
Bulgy. Bulgy.
Yes, bulges also. Then shiny.
Oh. Oh, exists glue. Okay. We've done for our first part, man.
Think he will again like to have a walkathon tournament. Oh, it's almost on the finish line. As you can see, he's striving so hard.
Oh,
No, you touch it, touch it. Good, very good.
That's it. Give a hand,
He
give a hand.
always wins because he has no opponent.
No opponent, so she's the champion. Champion. She knows, you see, because when she touched the bakukang,
Yes, he's very happy. She's very
no, your pants make bulges. That's why you know it's a girl. Bulges, yeah, bulges.
Oh, I think he's hiding. He wants to play hide and seek. Okay, where are you now? Oh, he's behind the keyboard.
Behind the box.
Oh, he's there.
Okay, we've done our first part.
Okay, I think this is for it for the first part. We'll continue next time. Okay.
Yan na yung mountain boy. Ikaw man to ng
So, for your host, this is Arnel, the bug fan. Also me. This is
bug specialist.
Yes, it's the bug with the. And look at his pants. It's very big. The
No
bulges.
bulges, no
the
bulges.
when he touches the bug.
Buwaga yun.
Okay, I think he's sleeping now. So we'll continue again next time.
Okay,
Okay, bye bye.